Hello again, and welcome to the Moodle tutorial series. Today we're going to be looking at logging in as a student and seeing what they are seeing. So there's two ways to do this. First of all, there is just switching a role to that of a student to see what a general student will see, and then you can go even more fine-grained and actually pick a student from your course to log in as and see what that student is specifically seeing. So maybe you want to see if what they're seeing on the assignment upload page and seeing that they've submitted it. I mean, you can see if they've submitted it pretty quickly as a teacher, but you want to see what they're seeing. Just if a student's saying, "Oh, it says I've uploaded it, but I can't," but you from your end aren't seeing it uploaded. So it's a way of just checking everything from another perspective. Yeah. So first of all is switching to student view. So at the moment we have two topics hidden from students, so we would expect, let me just turn editing off to make things simpler for us. So what we would expect at the moment is when we log in as a student view, we will not see these two topic boxes at all. So the way to switch your role to another user is to go up here and next to your profile in the drop down menu on the right, and click Switch Role To, which will take you to a new page where you have all the different roles that you can officially use. So here we're only worried about a student, and if you're a teacher of a course and don't have any greater admin permissions on the site, you might only see like student, non-editing, teacher, and guest or something. So don't be overwhelmed about all this, but there's like different levels of permissions that you can be making the most of here. So log in as a student, and here we have, you can see in the top right that we're now admin user in student view. So as you can see, we don't have any major course menu options going on here. There's more, that's just other stuff that we'll worry about later. But as you can see, topic is not available, so we can still see the topic headers, which is interesting because I thought I turned that off. But if we go back to my normal role by going to the same spot in the menu, we can quickly check that by going to our edit settings in the course and checking our course appearance. Is it course format? Yes. So yes, we had hidden sections shown in collapsed form. So if we had anything in that, we wouldn't be able to wouldn't be able to see any of the content. But here we go. Hidden sections are completely invisible. And save that again. Now when we go to student role, they won't see that topic. Yeah, so here we have the only topic available is topic 1, and we have all its content here. Now we might want to just hide a specific activity within this course. So if we turn editing back on, we can quickly hide activities here. So we might not want them to do assignment task 1 just yet, so we hide that. Now it's hidden from students. And if we go back to student view, there's nothing. So we return our normal role. Now the other way of seeing what students are seeing is by logging in as a specific student. So we have to go to our student participants list, which we can access over here on the top left, participants. So here we go. So we have our two users in the course, us, the admin user, and test student. So for now, we click on our test student and we get their profile. So this is the profile. We can see their email. We can, if you're admin, you can edit their profile. Just see some details about them, like what courses they're logged in under, what roles they have. Just some information about the student. But what we're interested in at the moment is log in as. So if we go over here, we can hit log in as. Now, what we can see up here is we have admin user, you are logged in as a test student. So now we are seeing what this specific test student tutorials are still on. We'll worry about those later. So as you can see here on this course page, they can see demo page, but they can't see the assignment that we've hidden. And that's just a way of confirming that they can't see what we've hidden. Now another awkward thing is when you do this, you have to log out and log back in. Anyway, another thing we can do though, let's go back to the main page. turn editing on, is we want to do something as that student, which I wouldn't recommend too much because you just don't want to like act on someone's behalf, hijack their account like that, but maybe there's some scenarios where you might want to do that. So one way we do this is, we want to submit something for the student because they haven't uploaded something and they've given us the text the wrong way, they've emailed it to us or something, and we just want to, instead of just telling them to do it, maybe there's too much confusion, we'll just add it ourselves. So we've logged in as them, gone to the assignment and hitting add submission, and no, that's not really the answer to the question, but yep. So hit save changes, and now they have submitted their assignment. There's their text there, they can edit it, you can remove it, and yeah, so that's all we can test at the moment in this test course, because that's all that's in the course, but we'll probably be using this again in future videos, so it's a good technique to have just to test different things, especially as we have different interactive course content with different activity types, and you want to know what that looks like and how it can be used. So that's it for this video, but if you have anything specific you want to see a tutorial for, please leave a comment down below and we'll make a video for that too. So yeah, see you in the next video. Cheers.